Oh, were you successful bidder?
Yes, Your Lordship, I was the successful bidder.
Then what happened?
Your Lordship, since my tank lorry is only in a month only it travels up to 600 to 900 kilometers. And all because of this retail outlet dealers, Your Lordship, who have been provided to carry only to sell the petroleum products. They have been given license to sell the petroleum products. There was no such condition, Your Lordship.
Then
There was no such EOI. After our tender, Your Lordship, this EOI has been issued, Your Lordship.
what is meant by POI?
Your Lordship. Petitioners approach this Honorable Court for quashing Annexure 3 at page number 18, Your Lordship.
Turn the mic.
Petitioner has approached this Honorable Court for quashing of Annexure 3 at page number 18, Your Lordships. Earlier, this is the second round of litigation, Your Lordships. Earlier, while Annexure 2 starts from page number 16, I have approached this Honorable Court whereby a direction was issued to approach before respondent number 2. Page number 16, Your Lordships.
Oh, sir, what is there?
Your Lordships,
23/11/2018.
yes, Your Lordship. By this, Your Lordships, my representation, which was pending consideration, was disposed of, Your Lordships.
What was your representation?
The representation was, Your Lordships, with regard to, Your Lordships, I am the transporter, Your Lordships. We have been selected after issuance of NIT to bid process, Your Lordships, and other documents are required. Whereas, Your Lordships, the petrol company provides on expression of EOI, on expression of interest, transportation work to the petrol pump dealers, Your Lordships, only through EOI, Your Lordships, without following any due process of law, Your Lordships. And by that, the petrol pump retail outlet dealers, Your Lordships, they have been also engaged in transportation work, Your Lordships, through EOI, expression of interest, for which, Your Lordships, no norms are prescribed. We are transporters, and we have to undergo two selection process, Your Lordships, by technical bid as well as reverse auction. And due to that infirmity, we have approached before the authorities requesting to just allow the others retail outlets also.
Oh, were you successful bidder?
Yes, Your Lordship, I was the successful bidder.
Then what happened?
Your Lordships, since my tank lorry is only in a month only it travels up to 600 to 900 kilometers. And all because of this retail outlet dealers, Your Lordships, who have been provided to carry only to sell the petroleum products. They have been given license to sell the petroleum products through this expression of interest, which has been named as EOI. They have been allowed to transport that.
What is the condition in the tender?
In the tender, Your Lordships, there was no such condition, Your Lordship.
Then
There was no such EOI. After our tender, Your Lordship, this EOI has been issued, Your Lordship.
what is meant by POI?
EOI, expression of interest. EOI. Through this, Your Lordships, the retail outlet dealers are engaged in transportation of petroleum products, Your Lordships. And in rejection order, Your Lordship may kindly come to page number 20, Roman 3, fourth line from the top, Your Lordships. They say that the quality and quantity of the petroleum products will be maintained, Your Lordships. Your Lordships, since I am the transporter, I have to invest huge amount of money for buying these tank lorries and maintaining staff and everything, Your Lordships. And all because of this expression of interest, EOI, Your Lordships, we have been
This expression of interest was introduced for the first time after NIT or before NIT?
It was after, Your Lordships, our rate had been finalized.
No, sir. Where is this expression of interest order?
That is not on record, Your Lordships. I may be permitted to file a supplementary. They have admitted in this Annexure 3 itself, Your Lordship, they have admitted.
Yes, sir, Mr. Pilot. Where is this expression of interest?
It is not on record.
How it was generated? Is it after NIT or before NIT? If it is before NIT, he has no case. If it is after NIT, if it is before NIT, he has a case. If it is after NIT, you have no case.
Lordships, it has not been brought on record, Your Lordship. That's
What is this? Crucial matters are not brought on record. Then how to decide a
50%
matter?
transportation is done through transporters and 50% is done through.
Whatever it may be, sir, why it has not been placed on record in order to ascertain what is the object and of incorporation of expression of interest. When counsel for the respondent hereby directed to furnish necessary materials to the extent that expression of interest issued to petrol pump dealers is under which scheme and on what date such a expression of interest to petrol pump dealers have been floated by the respondent corporation in order to ascertain as to whether such a incorporation of after NIT or before NIT dated 25/11/2017 or after. Release this matter after 2 weeks. It is made clear that no further time will be granted.
Lordship may kindly grant 4 weeks time.
No. 2015 matter.
Last.